From your costume to treats to decorations, Halloween has a lot of stuff that goes into it, and some is recyclable and some isn't, and it can be a little tricky to figure out what is recyclable. So here are some tips and tricks for a zero-waste Halloween. Making your own costumes from recycled finds is definitely the lowest waste way to go. There are a ton of recycled costume ideas out there. And if your costume is in great shape after Halloween, you can always donate it. Or you can host a costume swap with your friends. Free costumes for everyone! And just remember that Halloween makeup is not recyclable, so make sure you throw your Halloween makeup in the black bin. Candy wrappers are not recyclable. Most are made of a mixed material, making it difficult to recycle. So avoid contaminating your recycling bin by placing candy wrappers in your black bin. Most store-bought Halloween decorations, like spider webs or spooky centerpieces, are not recyclable. But before trashing them, consider storing them and reusing them for your next Halloween celebration.